you an affiliate, a product vendor, or an internet marketer? Or do you sell or promote anything online? Maybe you're a complete newbie and you're just getting started. It doesn't matter what you do online or what level you're at. The reality is, you need more customers and more sales. So listen to this. What if you could turn high-authority websites into your own sales machines in just 2 minutes? Would you do it? I bet you would. Let's be honest. You want to make as much income as possible with the smallest amount of work in the shortest period of time, don't you? Of course you do. We all do. But how do you do it? Simple. Use other high-authority websites. We call it asset jacking, where we hijack other websites to make online income whenever we like. We never have to worry about making videos, building websites, hosting, or any of that time-consuming stuff. We just use what already exists and works, and you can do the same. Have a look at us running Converzee campaigns on premium websites like Gary Vaynerchuk, BBC, Huffington, Mashable, Entrepreneur.com. Well, you can simply name any website in any niche, and you can run your campaign on their website using the special Jackered Converzee link. It's simple. There are just 3 steps, and it takes only 2 minutes. First, pick any website. Second, insert your opt-in forms, Hellobars, Hellobar Timers, exit intents. 3. Collect hot leads and sales. And it's 100% legal and ethical. You don't even have to contact the website owners. How cool is that? And the result? You get to leverage a highly authoritative website in any niche and place your lead and sales-sucking campaigns on it without touching a line of code. And the whole thing took you 2 minutes only. Can you see the potential? The reality is, consumers in any area or niche often only want to purchase through an authority website that they already know and trust. And Converzee Pro gives you the ability to do just that and a whole lot more in just minutes. Which means you can really start profiting today without any experience. As a Pro member, you also get to add team members' accounts to manage campaigns for you. Believe me, you're going to need this feature when you see the avalanche of customers coming towards you, asking you to create campaigns for them. Advanced analytics to help you make better marketing decisions and will ultimately help you in growing your results and profits. State-of-the-art advanced controls and optimizations to help you not overlap your campaigns and ensure you never go wrong with Converzee. Hyper-laser filtering and sorting to save you tons of time in managing and sorting your campaigns when you will be running hundreds of campaigns for unlimited domains in unlimited niches and clients. One-click clone campaign feature to help you set up new campaigns easily and quickly whenever you want. So, are you ready to take your profits to a whole new level? Okay, here's what to do next. Check out the rest of this page to read through the details. Then upgrade your account to Pro and start profiting by simply hijacking any website on the planet. With Converzee Pro, you won't need any technical experience. There's no learning curve, and setting up a campaign takes just a couple of minutes. Go ahead and check the rest of the features under this video and get started today.